first official day of fall, so happy fall. I'm so excited for the colder weather. I am gonna make myself a coffee. I got some ingredients just now. I got the sweet and creamy oat milk creamer, this pistachio cream. I feel like that would be really good in a coffee. I'm going to do a pistachio iced latte with maybe a little bit of like nutmeg. I have the espresso. I'm gonna take a little bit of the pistachio cream and melt it inside the espresso. Eventually, I want to make this into a hot drink, but it's like not quite the weather for hot drinks yet. So I'm gonna do an iced version. Just gonna do my almond milk espresso shot. I'm gonna do the sweet and creamy creamer, just like a splash. Let's do a little bit of whipped cream because I love it when they do it at like coffee shops. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of nutmeg and a little bit of pumpkin spice. Let's try her out. Oh, that's really good. This was the right idea. It's like a delicious pistachio, pumpkin spice, nutmeg, iced latte. Okay, that's really good. I can't believe it's already mid-September. I have no idea where the time has gone. Next thing you know, it's gonna be the holidays and this year is over. I honestly feel like when you get older, time moves so fast and every year just goes by, every season goes by so fast. So I wanna do some fall activities for sure. Take you guys along with me. We came to apple picking today upstate. We're at Harvest Moon Orchard. It's so cute here. We went here last year and they have so many fall activities besides just apple picking. Their apple cider donuts are the best I've ever had, so I'm so excited to get another one. Got a medium-sized bag.
And no apples inside.
It's just starting. 10 to 20 apples. I don't think 20 can fit in here.
How many apples do you think we need to like bake a pie?
I want to say 6.
Look at all these golden delicious.
Found some golden delicious apples. I was searching up which apples would be good for apple pie, and after like Granny Smith, it says golden delicious is nice to give it like a tart taste along with some Honeycrisp. So we're gonna look for some Honeycrisp, and those are my favorite apples too. Nice hair. Come on, let's go. Am I an apple head?
Apple head.
Dancing apple.
Apple head. Apple head. Matsu. The lazy way to pick apples.
We're getting this thing called a cider smash. Cider slushy, vanilla ice cream, and a donut topper.
And a souvenir cup.
The souvenir cup.
For 12 bucks. Not bad.
No, the donuts are so good. Okay, here is the cider smash.
With a little sippy straw.
That's pretty good. It's nice and cold.
It's just like apple cider slushy, right?
Okay, let's try the donut. Their donuts are like the best apple cider donuts, I think. And it's warm too. It's good. These are really good. It's so moist inside. It's such a beautiful day today. I thought I would go to the bookstore. I'm gonna head to McNally Jackson and pick up a fall book. There's also a coffee shop that I've been really wanting to check out. It's called Maru, and I've been to the one in LA and it's so good. I love their coffees. Just opened one in Williamsburg. I'm gonna go there, get myself a little sweet treat, a little coffee. I've been wanting to read for a while. It's called The Housemaid. I feel like I've seen this everywhere, like for recommended thrillers, and I love a thriller, if you guys didn't know, especially in the fall when it's like cozy season. From behind closed doors, she sees everything. Sounds really interesting. I got the matcha latte, which is, I would say that's in the top 5 best matchas I've had in New York. I need to try their lattes next time, but I was already a little bit caffeinated, so I thought I would opt for a matcha today. It's so cute in here. It's crowded because it's new, but it's so cute. Events tonight actually. The first one is Cezanne. They are opening their new store in Williamsburg, which is really exciting because you guys know I love Cezanne. And then the second is a Chanel beauty event to celebrate their new fragrance. And I showed up in
the same outfit,
matching outfits.
We didn't even plan it. Sometimes we're in sync though, me and you.
Yeah, that's true.
Today was one of those days, and we were giving like one of those like twins who do content together. When we're like the only.
This is so funny.
Sung and Fu.
Sung and She.
She?
She.
Oh, you didn't change it? Yeah. She and Sung.
Black bottoms. Black shoes. miso salmon, which I've made before. Delicious. I added some edamame, broccoli, sweet potato, pickled cabbage, and cucumber. And this is dinner tonight. Currently in West Village, going to meet my friend Allison. We were getting some lunch, getting some photos together. Going to this new place that I found called Sea Cafe. It looks really cute. It's a cafe during the day and then a wine bar at night. We're probably just gonna get some coffee and light bites. I love checking out like the new coffee shops and stuff that open up in New York.
Day, another West Village date. We haven't got to do that.
Oh yeah, that.
We're so embarrassing.